Hey gamers, and welcome back to our Hive Fleet painting series for the launch of 10th edition. Today I'm going to dive into the mysterious and formidable Tyranid Hive Fleet, Hydra. With their cunning and adaptable nature, Hydra is a force to be reckoned with on the battlefield. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to bring these fearsome creatures to life with a unique color scheme. So get ready to unleash the power of Hydra. Let's get started. Start by priming the miniatures in white, as I'm going to be using contrast paints. I'm going to use Basilicanum Grey for all those carapace and bones. I'm going to use Leviathan Blue for most of the skin, and I'm going to use Druchii Violet Wash for the face and hands. I'm also going to do an all-over wash of Null Oil and mix in some Gracia for some highlights. So let's get started with that. I'm going to start by applying Basilicanum Grey as a base color for the carapace and bone areas. Make sure to cover all the carapace and bone sections evenly, allowing each coat to dry before moving on. For the skin, I'm going to be using Leviathan Blue Contrast. This will create a vibrant and dynamic look, emphasizing the alien nature of the creature. Take your time with this, as you don't want to get any of this color on the areas you're going to be painting with Druchii Violet. And finally, use Druchii Violet for the face and hands for the Tyranid. Apply this wash carefully to capture the sinister and otherworldly appearance of Hydra. Once everything has dried, I'm going to apply a Null Oil wash over the entire model, covering the carapace and the skin. This will bring out the details and add depth to the overall look of the Tyranid. I won't be painting Null Oil in the Druchii Violet areas, as I don't want that to have too much contrast. Now to start the highlighting process. I'm going to be highlighting the skin with a 50-50 mix of Leviathan Blue and Gracia. Use this mix to highlight the skin areas, adding a subtle variation to the color and enhancing the overall look of the model. And finally, I'm going to just use pure Gracia to carefully edge highlight the black bones of the model. Focus on the edges and contours, highlighting their sharpness and durability. And there you have it, gamers. A quick and easy step-by-step guide on how to paint Hive Fleet Hydra. I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step guide and found it informative and entertaining. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content in our Hive Fleet series. In my next video, I'll be exploring the depth of Hive Fleet Jormungandr, known for their stealthy and subterranean tactics. Stay tuned and prepare to witness the might of Jormungandr on the tabletop. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy painting!